Fundamentals of data visualization explained. Data visualization is a powerful communication method that presents complex information in clear visuals like charts, graphs, and maps, revealing trends, patterns, and relationships that might go unnoticed. It is faster processing.
But before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Than text allows our brains to easily grasp the data story, making it accessible and impactful in decision making. Data visualization goes beyond mere presentation and transforms complex information into compelling narratives, fostering improved understanding across various fields. It is one of the steps of the data science process, aiming to identify patterns, trends, and outliers in large data sets. It is essential for almost every career, from teachers to executives, and plays a crucial role in big data projects. Data visualization tools are essential for monitoring results and ensuring models are performing as intended, as complex algorithms are generally easier to interpret than numerical outputs. Importance of data visualization. Key importance are: transforms complex data sets into engaging visuals like charts, graphs, and maps. Facilitates easy identification of trends, patterns, and relationships. Empowers clear communication and simplifies decision-making processes. Unlocks the potential of information to inform, guide, and drive results. Helps businesses identify factors affecting customer behavior, pinpoint areas needing improvement, and make data memorable. Helps understand product placement and sales volumes. Data visualization fundamentals. Data visualization transcends the simple presentation of numbers. It's the art of transforming complex information into clear and captivating visuals. Mastering this powerful tool involves understanding key principles that empower you to unlock the hidden stories within your data. Chart selection with strategy. The type of chart you choose should directly reflect the data you have and the message you want to convey. Popular choices include bar charts for comparing categories, line graphs for tracking trends over time, scatter plots for revealing relationships between variables, and heat maps for visualizing data density across multiple dimensions. Clarity reigns supreme. Effective data visualization thrives on simplicity. Strive to declutter your visuals, removing unnecessary elements that might distract viewers from the core message. Focus on presenting the most relevant information and avoid overwhelming viewers with excessive details or intricate chart designs. Color as a powerful tool. Colors play a significant role in data visualization, acting as visual cues to convey meaning and enhance understanding. Use colors strategically to differentiate categories of data, highlight specific data points for emphasis, or create a visually appealing and informative representation. However, avoid using an overwhelming palette of colors, as this can lead to confusion and detract from the message. Context is king. Adding context to your visualizations is crucial for viewers to grasp the significance of the data being presented. This includes incorporating clear labels, titles, legends, axis scales, and annotations. Providing context ensures viewers can accurately interpret the information and draw meaningful conclusions. Accuracy above all. The foundation of any impactful data visualization rests on data accuracy. Ensure your data is clean, reliable, and properly analyzed before creating visual representations. Any inaccuracies or errors in your dataset can lead to misleading or incorrect conclusions being drawn from your visualizations. Interactivity. For deeper engagement, consider incorporating interactive elements into your visualizations to enhance user engagement and allow viewers to explore the data further. Interactive features can range from tooltips that reveal additional information on hover, to zoom functionality for focusing on specific data points, to filter options for customizing the data displayed, or drill down capabilities for exploring different levels of detail within the data. Designed for your audience who will be viewing your visualizations. Are they data experts or novices? Executives needing a high-level overview, or analysts requiring detailed insights? Designing your visuals with your target audience in mind is crucial. Use appropriate language, a level of detail that aligns with their needs, technical terms that they'll understand, and aesthetics that resonate with them. Data storytelling. Effective data visualization goes beyond mere presentation. It's about weaving a compelling narrative with your visuals. Utilize storytelling techniques, narratives, and annotations to take viewers on a logical journey through the data's insights, making it easier for them to comprehend complex information. By connecting the dots and guiding viewers through a clear narrative, you can ensure they grasp the story your data has to tell.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.